Welcome to another build on the channel. This time we've got a 2017 Vauxhall Adam Energized. This is the 1.2 petrol with the 5-speed manual gearbox. This is MOT'd until April 2027. It comes with one key and it is on the insurance register as a category N due to the front bumper damage. On the inside, this vehicle has such features as remote central locking, electric windows, electric mirrors, air conditioning, cruise control with speed limit, touchscreen infotainment system with DAB and Bluetooth connectivity. If you're not subscribed to the channel, then maybe now is a good time to do so, and then that way you won't miss out on any updates on this car or any upcoming builds. If you want any more information, contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. But let's get this inside and have a look at the damage. Okay, so let's have a look at this damage together. This one's going to be a nice easy one because there's not really that much damage to it. As we've said, when it came, there was no bumper. The bumper was all missing, so it's obviously been taken off to be checked, but it never came back. So the only bits that we are missing, so there's no damage to the crossbar here. The bumper support is good. This headlight support is good, and the headlight is good here. There is no damage to any bracket work there, and the bumper support is still in good condition. This has had an MOT, I think within the last 2 months. It's had 4 new tyres. Everything looks really good. But coming to the other side, we notice that this bumper support bracket here that goes across here, that obviously goes under the light, is missing, or it's not missing, it's all broken off there. And there is some damage underneath the headlight. It's obviously cracked. Someone's put a bit of tape on there. So it's not loose, but even with that bit there, we're just going to replace that headlight for a second-hand one. Apart from that, again, there's no damage to any bracket work. The actual bumper support on the side there is good. So both wheel arch liners are okay. We've got the other one, and there is the plastic padding that goes on there. We've still got that. No damage to the radiators. Everything's still holding gas for the aircon and water. So really, let's have a look. As we said, we've got the foam bumper protector and the wheel arch liner for this side. So really all we need is best to try and find a new bumper complete, because I've already started pricing up the prices for the grille, for the lights. It does work out expensive. So if we can find one in color, or we'll get one sprayed. But I think the best point, we'll get a new headlight or a second-hand headlight, a new bumper bracket, and a complete bumper, and then we'll get that resprayed and put on. So really that is the damage. It is only a category N, as we say. I think it's covered about 69,000 miles. It's not long had MOT. It's got 4 new tires. Brakes are good. So this one should be a nice easy job for us this time. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, and that way you won't miss any videos coming up, especially the one on this one being done. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.